so. How's the new gear? Going back to FXR.
New gear.
Because FXR's sizing is a lot better than
Actually,
Youth Fast
FXR
House.
has better gear. FXR.
Well, Bowie chilling out today.
He said he gets a sewer and he'd be riding on the track, but I didn't do that.
Selling this bike this week.
And getting a sewer.
Bowie, so if you had a sewer on, would you ride it here in sand?
Yes, sir.
Give it a crowd, give it a go? Oh, okay, we'll see, we'll see.
It wouldn't look like a gear either way.
It's actually not too bad today.
Oh, you think?
Hey?
Yeah, not too
No.
bad until you hop on the
I mean, you guys obviously just had a ride, but what I'm saying is it could be a lot worse.
bike. Yeah, I hear you. Oh.
Right?
When I was going down the street, I got so scared.
Yeah, well,
Straight down there.
chill out, brother.
Like this, I bounced, and I nearly got flung off my bike.
Crazy.
Tyson's right behind me.
What's up, buddy? Hey? Oh no, hopefully there's fuel in it.
I heard some noise.
Shit. Watch it. Come on, walk off anyway.
Yeah, I railed that corner.
Oh well, see you later, Portland.
Bye-bye. Bye, Portland. And this one.
Looks massive.
Portland.
Yeah, some of the jumps still look massive.